Your systems are down, stakeholders are waiting, and everyone is panicking. You need to be the calm voice who finds the answer. This course teaches you to debug like a senior engineer and diagnose what others can't. Most courses teach tutorials, but production doesn't care. Generic observability demos won't prepare you for flooded logs and cascading timeouts. Mid-level engineers get promoted when they can hold the war room together, not before. Every incident you can't diagnose is a career opportunity lost. Senior engineers are defined by what they do when systems break. This skill gap affects your career trajectory, but closing it doesn't happen by watching more tutorials. This production-grade war room training offers the solution. You'll master battle-tested tools like Arthas and Prometheus, and tackle real failure modes based on production events. Learn zero restart diagnostics and run the full course environment on your laptop. This video was built by an engineer who's been in the war room for over 10 years, diagnosing systems processing over 100 million daily requests. This is battle-tested wisdom, not theory, with every technique validated in real production environments. The training includes 5 production projects with 0 toy examples. You'll build and debug a multi-service checkout pipeline and implement resilience patterns. You will master the Arthas Live Diagnostic Toolkit and build a war room monitoring dashboard. Zero restart debugging is the skill that separates senior engineers. You will learn live JVM method interception, CPU hotspot profiling, and heap analysis without stopping the process, working in Kubernetes, bare metal, or containerized environments. This is a war room simulation, not a lecture series. You receive a broken system with an active failure, apply tools, and form hypotheses under time pressure, just like the real war room. The detailed explanation follows only after you've worked through it. The complete training package includes 40 video lessons, 5 hands-on projects with full source code, and configuration references for every tool. You get lifetime access, community forum support, and can start for free with no credit card required. The curriculum is structured into 3 modules: Observability Foundation, Resilience Patterns, and Advanced JVM Diagnostics. It's a complete diagnostic framework covering everything from metrics and logging to metastable failure recovery over 40 days. Be one of the first engineers trained this way. This course teaches techniques that come from real war rooms, not documentation. Join an early community and gain knowledge before it becomes mainstream. This video is built for mid-level engineers ready to think like seniors, Java backend engineers, SREs moving to application diagnostics, platform engineers, and engineering managers. It's not ideal for those new to Java or looking for pure theory. Start free and go deep when you are ready. The free tier includes 3 lessons per module and dev environment setup. Upgrade to Pro for $29 a month for full access, or Pro Max for $99 a month for dedicated support and custom learning paths. Start your journey to production-ready skills today. Enroll now through the link below. Join our community for more production-grade training.